Creating contacts one by one inside your HubSpot CRM is very time consuming. And if your business receives a lot of customers daily, manually entering every customer into your CRM can waste hours of valuable time. But what if I tell you that as soon as you enter the new customer record inside your Google Sheet, automatically a new contact is going to be created inside your HubSpot CRM. Yes, completely automatically. So this is the exact automation we are going to build today using Pabbly Connect without writing a single line of code. So this is my Google Sheet where I stored my customer data like their ID, first name, last name, email address and other important information too. And I want that based on the customer details present inside this Google Sheet, automatically each and every contact should be created inside my HubSpot CRM. Everything happens completely automatically using Pabbly Connect. So make sure to watch this video till the end because you can also build this amazing automation setup for your business as well. So not wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the creation of this workflow. Alright, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/connect and run the sign up process. And once you do this, you will receive 100 free tasks every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. Right now, many businesses are switching to Pabbly Connect because it helps them to automate repetitive tasks, save time, reduce manual work, and connect multiple applications without writing a single line of code. If you like this tool and you also want to integrate multiple applications, then go and purchase it by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. This is especially for my viewers, so grab this offer as soon as possible. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Connect, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can create and manage all of your automation workflows. For creating a new workflow, you just have to click on this plus create workflow button. It will provide you three options, same as create from scratch, create using AI and create using Quick Builder. I am creating a workflow by using Quick Builder, so I am going with this option. And next, this Connect As Studio is going to be appear in front of me. Here you just have to give a single line prompt and it will automatically generate a workflow for you. I'll show you how it will work in real time by giving a simple prompt as sync Google Sheet customer records with HubSpot CRM automatically. As soon as I send it, it analyzes my request and asks me which Google Sheets trigger should start this workflow. So I am selecting it as a new or updated spreadsheet row. After that, is asking me about my action application, that is HubSpot CRM, as which action would like for update contacts, that I am selecting as create contacts. And see, within a second I have my workflow and is asking me for my approval. So I am clicking on this approve and create button and it says that workflow created successfully. Now I am going to open this workflow and look at this. I have the exact application that I need, means Google Sheet and the HubSpot CRM. After getting the application, we need to make a connection. So for making it, you just have to click on the application. After that, it will provide you one webhook URL and the steps mentioned below, that how you can connect your Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect. At first, I am copying this webhook URL from here and clicking on this recapture webhook response. See, it started waiting for a webhook response. But before we jump into this, at first we need to create a connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets. Now I am going to take you towards the sheet where I maintained all my customer data. See, this is the sheet and I want to send all the customer details to the Pabbly Connect. So for that, at first you have to click on this extensions option. After that, click on this add-ons and next click on this get add-on. After that, search for Pabbly Connect webhooks in the search apps field and you have to install this Pabbly Connect webhooks inside your Google Sheet. Once you installed it, it is going to be appear here like this. At first, we need to make an initial setup, so I am clicking on this option. After that, for making a new setup, at first we need to remove the previous one. So at first I am removing it and going to paste a new webhook URL that I have copied from the workflow. Next, the trigger column. The trigger column is the final data column where the data is added inside your Google Sheet. So in my sheet trigger column is J, that's why I have entered J here. Next I am clicking on the send test button and see it says that test data sent successfully. Now we will check our workflow to see whether we have received a new response or not. See, automatically I received a new response and it includes all the details that were entered on the first row of my sheet. After getting the response, you have to click on the submit button. See, right now I have received only first row data, but I want that all the customer details present inside this Google Sheet should automatically be sent to the Pabbly Connect, means each and every customer record. So to do this, you simply have to click on the extensions option. After that, click on this Pabbly Connect webhooks and then click on the send all data button. With the help of this option, automatically all the existing data present inside your Google Sheet will automatically send to the Pabbly Connect. Now as soon as I click on it, you can see in our trigger step automatically I received multiple responses. So this is how easily you can send bulk customer data from Google Sheets into Pabbly Connect. After completing this setup, make sure to enable the send on event option because this is very important step. With the help of this option, whenever you add a new row inside your Google Sheets in the future, then automatically the new data will instantly be sent to Pabbly Connect. So make sure to keep this option activated. As we have successfully received the response, this means that the connection between Pabbly Connect and the Google Sheets is working perfectly and the setup of our trigger application is completed. Moving forward, we have our action application as HubSpot CRM. So I am clicking on this option. After that, for making a connection, you just have to click on this connect button. If you have an existing connection, then you will go with this. I'm going to make a new one. So I'm selecting this option. Next, I'm clicking on this connect with HubSpot CRM. After that, the Pabbly Connect is asking me for my permission. So I'm permitting it, and this is how easily you can connect your HubSpot account with Pabbly Connect. Now in some fields, I'm going to the mapping of the response that I have received from the previous application, that is this Google Sheets. To do the mapping, you just have to enter the slash on the field and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So in the city name field, I'm going to do the mapping of city name. See, it is mapped. Now what is mapping? So mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes data dynamic. As different users have different data, so for capturing each user's information dynamically, mapping is used. And here I am mapping only some fields because my objective is only to teach you how you can do the automation by using Pabbly Connect. You can map more data completely based on your requirements. See, here I have mapped the first name as Arav. After that, I am doing the mapping of last name too and the contact number as well. After doing the mapping, I am clicking on the save and send test request button. And you will see I have received the positive response. Now I am going to show you my HubSpot CRM too by refreshing it. See, automatically a new contact is going to be created inside my HubSpot CRM by the same name that I have mapped. That is Arav Sharma, and it includes all the details. This means that the connection between HubSpot CRM and the Pabbly Connect is working perfectly. And here only one contact is created. Now for creating a contacts in bulk, just click on this option because right now I am doing the setup and I have clicked on the save and send test request button. So only for the testing purpose, a single contact is created. For creating a bulk contact, you just have to click on this extensions option. After that, click on the send all data button. And within a second, automatically based on your customer details, a new contact is going to be created inside your HubSpot CRM. So this is the magic of Pabbly Connect. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this amazing workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. Not only this, you can integrate multiple applications by using this single tool. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automation for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offer. Trust me, this tool is going to be really very beneficial for you and your business as well. So go and purchase it. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.